Hi. With this movie we will show you how to set up database security provider and user permissions. First, create a new server action and add a name for it. Then, right-click Steps and add a database connection. Add a name for your database connection and set up its options. Click the OK button when you are done. Right-click the database connection step and add a security provider. Then, enter a name for the security provider. Open the Type drop-down and select Database. Select your database connection from the drop-down and enter a secret key for the security cookie encryption. This can be any random string. Now let's set up the security provider options. First, select the database table that stores your user's details. Then select the user ID, login, and password fields from your user's table. And you are done. Optionally, you can add different permissions for your users based on specific conditions. Click the Add New Permission button. We change the default permission name so that it will be easier to use later. Let's call this permission Admin. We will use it later to allow access to admins only. Select the table containing your users and the condition that you want to check. In our case, this is the same table that we use for users' login details. Select the user ID column. Now, let's set up the condition. Click the New Condition button. Select the database field that you want to check for the logged-in user. We'd like to check the field called role. Select the condition operator and then enter the condition value. Our permission is ready. It will check if the role of the logged-in user is admin. Click the OK button when you are done. And click the link button for your security provider. Confirm that you'd like to create and link the security provider file. Then, right-click the security provider step and add a security validate. Select your security provider from the drop-down and save your server action. Now, let's set up the login. Open the Site menu and under DMX Zone Security Provider, select Manage Security Provider Executor. There are two login options available: a Bootstrap modal dialog or a custom login form. We created our own custom login form, so we select this option. Select your server action containing the security provider. Select your form from the drop-down, and then select the username, password, and Remember Me fields. Click the OK button when you are done. That's how easy it is to set up a database security provider and permissions for your users. Check our next video tutorial, where we explain how to restrict access to your pages based on the permissions that we've created.